Take a better look at us to get a better look for you. We're Associates in Plastic Surgery with ultra-modern accredited facilities in New Jersey and New York. Our offices are designed to offer you, the patient, a comfortable, safe, convenient, and private atmosphere. Our surgery center is designed to meet Medicare standards for safety. Literally thousands of cosmetic surgery procedures have been performed here, to the delight of our patients.
When I first decided to have facial cosmetic surgery, I was naturally very nervous. It was not a decision I came to easily. But Dr. Miller put me very much at ease during my consultation. I was very impressed with his years of experience and the fact that his specialty is facial plastic surgery. He doesn't work on anything but the face, and that was very important to me.
Our board-certified surgeons provide cosmetic, plastic, and reconstructive surgery, which includes breast augmentation, liposuction, rhinoplasty, facelifts, tummy tucks, and laser treatments. We also perform many small in-office procedures such as Botox or Restylane injections, chemical peels, or laser hair removal. Now, meet some of the doctors here at Associates in Plastic Surgery.
Hello, my name is Dr. Andrew Miller, and the basic philosophy of my practice is that plastic surgery is not just for the rich and famous. It's also not a question of vanity either. The basic idea is that if you see something in the mirror that you're not happy with, then as long as you can fix that in a safe manner, which we always do here at this practice, and in a natural manner, which I always try to do, then there's absolutely no reason not to have that fixed.
My name is Dr. Shane Kuber, and I am a board-certified plastic surgeon. I've been in practice for 10 years, and when patients come to see me for a consultation, I make every effort to make them feel comfortable. I explain all the different options available for the procedures that they're interested in. And I think it's important to spend a lot of time with them so it puts them at ease.
My name is Dr. Julie Miller, and I'm with Associates in Plastic Surgery. I specialize in oculoplastic surgery, which specifically is plastic surgery around the eye area. I specialize in injectable plastic surgery techniques to the face. Specifically, I do Botox to help with the lines in between the eyebrows and across the forehead, as well as the crow's feet.
Our board-certified surgeons and anesthesiologists make your experience smooth and enjoyable, and our highly experienced registered nurses assist you in both pre- and post-operative care. Find out more by scheduling a free initial consultation at any of our New Jersey or New York facilities. Associates in Plastic Surgery, a better look for you.